Hi everyone, Jen here, and we're back with part 6 of our Industry Standard series. Now today, we're going to be going over industry standard specs for survival and strategy board games. One of the most widely played strategy games is Risk, where your goal is world domination. We'll break down the components of that game here. The Gloss quad-fold game board is made from 2mm paperboard with a black backing. Risk includes a deck of 56 custom-sized blue core cards. Additionally, there are 2 sets of 6-sided dice used for battles. Strategy games like this are known for their use of miniatures and gameplay. Risk has 300 plastic miniatures in all, 60 horsemen, 40 cannons, and 200 infantry soldiers. The saddle-stitched instruction booklet is printed on gloss 85-pound text paper. All these components are housed in a 2-piece box made from 1.5mm paperboard with a vacuum-formed plastic organizer. Survival board games usually depend on a team to work together in order to make it out of a life-threatening situation, or for one person to survive longer than the rest of the players. These games often have many resources used to give you health, clues for survival, or recipes to craft instruments. Mixtape Massacre is a horror survival game that encompasses a lot of the common pieces these games contain, so let's dissect it. The matte laminated quad-fold game board is made from 1.5mm paperboard with a black game board backing. There are 3 sets of blue core cards in different sizes: 40 5-inch by 3-inch cards, 30 3.5 by 2-inch cards, and 10 4 by 6-inch cards. Additionally, there are 3 custom engraved black dice and 1 standard 6-sided red die. The 10 character pieces are made from 1.5mm gray board and come with 10 red plastic stands to hold them upright. Perhaps the most unique components are the 6 knife-shaped player stations. The blade features a 6-inch slit to hold cards, and the handle has 6 drill holes. These holes are used to track health by use of red plastic pegs. This game also uses 2 sets of punch-out tokens, 60 square and 10 hexagonal. The saddle-stitched instruction booklet is printed on gloss 85-pound text paper. All of these components are housed in a 2-piece box made from 1.5mm paperboard with a cardstock organizing insert. If you check out the link below, you can find even more information on industry standard specs for additional projects like puzzles, novels, calendars, manga, and even yearbooks. So we've printed tons of games with a variety of components, so you have the complete freedom to make something entirely your own. That being said, if you want to get a feel of the materials we offer, my advice to you is to order one of our sample packs. Our board game sample pack includes many common industry standard materials, including cards. We'd also encourage you to check out our budgetary board game calculator to ensure we'll be a good fit for your budget. Links to all of these things can be found in the description below. All right, everyone, thank you so much for tuning in. As always, if you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. We'll be happy to help. Have a great day. Bye.